left click here, select the ruler, and now you need to have a point of reference on your image. So for me it's the ground. I'm just going to trace with the ruler following the diagonal direction here of the ground. Left click, hold, and now I'm just going to trace here with the ruler like this. And now just release, and now just click on Straighten Layer. And now right click, select Pixels, and then go to Select, Inverse. This will invert the selection. And now go to Select, Modify, and then Expand. So I'm going to expand it by 5 pixels. As you can see, the selection here enters some of the image. Press OK. And now go to Edit, Fill. Make sure here the fill is content aware. For the other settings, I'm just going to leave them as they are, and then just press OK. So here it is, and now just go to Select, Deselect, and now I'm going to bring my previous image. So now here's the previous image, and here's the after.